All right, hey Cam. So one way of copying code from one page to another and then dynamically being able to change the content on one section, and it goes and basically cascades throughout the whole system, will be using static blocks. Um, I envision you being able to add, um, add to card buttons or even style sheets within uh, subsections and pages. So um, let me show you how that's completed. So what you'll see on um, what I've embedded is a static block code, this portion right here. You can just basically copy and paste this code, and when you go into the static block itself, you'll see the ID on it. If you don't see it there, then you'll be able to see it up at the top. As you can see in this URL, this is static block key 1255. So you can do it that way, or you can even go in and just hit insert widget, and with widgets there's going to be a full list of all kinds of items you can throw in there like you used for the product listings. But you can come directly into CMS static block, and in that you can select which block you want, and then when you add the block you'll see the IDs on the side here. Because I just added the style sheet one, which is this one right here, brands caster CSS demo. You just embed it in there, hit insert widget, and then it'll add it to whatever section, wherever your cursor was at that point. And then you're all set. So if you want the code to be at the top, place it up at the top. If you want it to be anywhere else within the page, you can embed it any place you want. So if you have redundancy, kind of like what you did with the, well, a perfect example would be the form that sits on any of the sub pages, the contact portions of it. For example, the product inquiry. This is as well. This is the exact same situation. So let me know if you've got any questions. This should be a pretty easy fix. One other thing, Cam, is I'm going to go ahead and pull out all of the style sheets for you and put it in a spreadsheet for you. You'll be able to make the content changes in there, and then I'll be able to forward it back up. But once I pull this content, I'll let you at least just look at it for now, but don't make any changes to it until you are complete with the other pages changes, because everything will be written over. So when you feel like you need to do a mass change on, let's say, the 1,000 static blocks, I'll pull it for you, and then you'll make those changes at that time.